出完美的眉毛再也不需要技巧，莱雅在今年年底将推出这个装置。首先拍张自拍照，接着会自动分析你的脸型，然后呢就会选出最适合你的眉形，接着你再选出看你希望今天画出什么样的眉毛。 选好你想要的眉毛样子，传送到列印装置后，对准眉心，1秒扫过就是完美眉毛。
It's really magical, and our goal with this type of technology is to create a new wave of beauty tech, which we call autonomous and assistive beauty, giving people technology that allows them to augment their performance of their makeup.
这面镜子用手势操作，能检查使用者刷牙是否正确，还能分析肤况。
Acne, eye bags, wrinkles, redness, uneven tone.
有智慧浴室，还有居家尿液检测，直径9公分的装置放在马桶里，及时分析尿液，天天监测身体状况。
We will detect ovulation, for example, and you will be able to track your period. You will also be able to understand a bit better your nutrition and your acid-base balance, as well as your hydration.
除了提供营养和维他命 C 的摄取建议 ，UScan 也正在研究肾结石代谢的侦测。如果你有打呼的问题，这个南韩做的动态枕头或许可以帮助你的枕边人。
When you start snoring, it'll detect, oh, you're snoring. So it sends the signal to the pillow itself, and there are 4 airbags inside. So it'll know the exact location of your head, and it turns your head to the side. And that way, it opens up the airway in your throat, so that stops snoring.
已经上市的 Y 型电动牙刷要价大约台币2600，让你10秒钟刷完牙。拉斯维加斯消费电子展有大概念，也有小设计，任何产品都能找到它的市场。TVB 新闻黄松普、倪家辉，美国拉斯维加斯报道。
想扩大国际视野，掌握趋势，请订阅专门报道国际新闻的 YouTube 频道 TVBS 国际 Plus， 记得要开启小铃铛哦。